A wide-angle view of a tranquil patio featuring a central table and chairs. This intricately designed space showcases a striking orange and white palette with fine details. A sweeping wide-angle time-lapse of a colorful home and lush garden, featuring a resting bench, vibrant trees, blooming flowers, and sparkling crystals on a peaceful day. An upscale wide-angle view of a garden fountain surrounded by blooming flowers. Set against a large modern residence, this tranquil scene features smooth and rich colors. A luminous wide-angle time-lapse capturing a beautifully detailed house. The classic front yard bursts with abundant blooming flowers and elegant Japanese maple trees. An eye-catching wide-angle time-lapse of a charming house. A solitary bench sits surrounded by vibrant flowers, lush plants, and a grand tree in this real estate shot. A vivid wide-angle shot of a house framed by abundant flowers and sunflowers. It features intricate wooden walls, brass panels, and rusted metal with a Baroque aesthetic. A lush wide-angle view of a front porch and a paved walkway lined with potted plants. Exploding roses in fuchsia, vermilion, and cyan pop against the vibrant green lawn. A beautiful wide-angle time-lapse of a patio with a table. Lush, symmetrical surroundings include abundant flowers, vibrant trees, and colorful lanterns near the house. A dramatic wide-angle time-lapse capturing an idyllic patio setup. Vivid flowers, elegant Japanese maples, and a rustic stone wall frame the outdoor table and chairs. A highly detailed wide-angle garden shot featuring benches and bright flowers. It highlights a two-story house with an ornate door, a large gate, and yellow and black trim. A dynamic wide-angle view of a modern garden bench amongst flowers, featuring an angular white rock floor, Japanese maples, and a centered torii gate with a bright style. A cinematic wide-angle shot of a suburban garden featuring an outdoor couch and table. Modeled spotlighting perfectly illuminates the paved walkway and a striking pink door. A sweeping wide-angle view of a suburban home featuring a gate and lush flower garden. The complete exterior scene is beautifully highlighted with bright gold and red accents. A highly detailed wide-angle time-lapse of a modern garden on a sunny summer day. A stone path winds through vibrant flowers right up to an inviting two-story residence. A detailed wide-angle time-lapse of a relaxing patio setup with a comfortable couch and chairs. The outdoor living space is perfectly framed by lush trees and rich flowers.